Hey market friends! Welcome back to Will of the Market. Today we're stepping into the world of healthcare tech meets artificial intelligence with Tempus AI. Think, Minority Report, meets House of Cards, advanced data, big stakes, and a fight for the future of medicine. We'll break down what Tempus actually does, compare it to peers, and check how investors are feeling lately. Let's roll. What Tempus AI does. First, what's the business? Tempus AI is a health technology company that uses artificial intelligence, genomic data, molecular imaging, and clinical data to help doctors personalize care, especially in oncology, radiology, cardiology, and other complex disease areas. In simpler terms, they're not just making apps, they're building the engine behind precision medicine. They collect massive data sets, build AI models, and partner with hospitals, labs, and pharmaceutical companies. For example, in Q3 2025 the company reported revenue of $334.2 million, surpassing expectations, with an EPS loss of $0.11 per share. So yes, the vision is big. But the road is still rocky. How they compare to peers? Now, how does Tempus stack up? Their peer set includes companies in genomic diagnostics, AI-driven healthcare, and precision medicine. Think companies like Guardant Health, Grail, Inc. Illumina spin-offs, or AI platforms like Zebra Medical Vision. Strengths for Tempus. A large and growing database of genomic, clinical and imaging data gives them a moat advantage. They're delivering growth. Revenue growth is high, e.g., 85% growth referenced in one analysis. Challenges, risks. They're not profitable yet, large net losses and a premium valuation. Execution risk. Scaling medical AI, regulatory, legal risks, competition and cost pressures. So while the vision is bold, peers might be more mature or further along, meaning Tempus is a higher risk, higher reward play. Recent investor sentiment and market mood. What's the mood? Sentiment is mixed. On one hand, analysts are bullish. One report lists a strong buy, with price targets near $96 following the Q3 results. On the other hand, some sentiment is cautious. For example, Barron's rated its fundamentals very poor, purely speculative. Stock movement. Despite beating earnings, the stock dropped approximately 4.76% after hours. Community sentiment. Active forums show interest, but also warnings about value and execution. So the takeaway. Many investors see the long-term potential, the big mission, but also recognize the near-term risks. It's like The Mandalorian. You're investing for the long haul, but you'd better have patience. Conclusion. If Tempus AI were a character in Altered Carbon, it'd be that genius hacker unlocking human potential. The tech is disruptive, futuristic, and bold. The question, can they deliver? Can they scale? And will the market reward them before they're fully proven? My take. TEM is a high-potential, high-risk stock. If you believe AI plus genomics plus precision medicine are a wave, this could be one to watch. But if you want stable earnings and low risk, you might want to sit this one out. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and comment. TEM, if you want a side-by-side analysis. Tempus AI versus Guardant versus other precision medicine, AI peers. Until next trade, may your gains be precise, your losses minimal, and your market moves sharp.